Hello, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. This tablescape is dedicated to all the wonderful mothers out there. The host is Deborah Capasa at Deborah Capasa Home and Living. And the co-hosts are Decorator's Loft, Seasoned Glam Style, Mary, Precious Jones, Huntsville, and the Grace Life Home Decor. Okay, here's our tablescape, Mother's Day tablescape. Gold silverware. I got those on Amazon. The white plate is from Home Goods. That's from the Dollar Tree. These rose napkins. The rose napkins, those are Amazon. That was from a thrift store. That was a gift. And so was the butterfly. All the butterflies and the hummingbirds are all gifts. Were all gifts. And this cloche was from Amazon. And same way with the tablecloth and the table runner. Which the table runner's pink and the tablecloth is purple. This was from the spring section of Michael's, which is kind of neat because I could use those anytime. And so the flowers were actually in the spring section too, but I think I could use those all summer. I know I could use those all summer. And the container was also from the spring section of Michael's. But like I said, I can definitely use those all summer. And these are supposed to be lavender, hydrangeas, and then they have little blueberries and vines mixed in. And then I have the pearls and the beads. And I have it so it looks like it's flowing over our picture.